Good day guys, magandang araw sa lahat. Maray na aga sa kabos. Okay, so we will solve another math problem. Okay, so today we will try to solve distance, speed, and time problems. Okay, so the formula of basic formulas of speed is speed is equals to distance over time. Okay, so pag distance naman yung hinahanap mo, distance, so you just simply transpose this speed, multiply mo naman sa time, and again sa time, magiging siyang, pag binalit mo yung time dito, so magiging siyang distance over speed. O, ganyan lang. Yun lang tatandaan nyo. Kahit isa lang nga dyan. So this is the problem. A car travels 180 kilometers. Okay, 180 kilometers in 3 hours. What is its speed? Okay. Okay, so ang 180 kilometer, this is the distance. So yung 3 hours is the time. Okay, so kilometers, that tingnan niya, what is its speed? So speed, ito, speed is distance over time. Okay, so distance is 180, time is 3. Okay, so the speed is 180 divided by 3 is 60. What is the unit? See, A180 is kilometer, 3 is R. So the unit is kilometer per hour. Okay, so again, this is the formula lang, tatandaan nyo. Kahit ito lang, transpose nyo lang. Okay, so another problem. Bus travels at 75 km per hour for 4 hours. How far does it go? Okay, so identify ulit what is 75 km per hour. That is the speed. Okay, 75 km per hour for 4 hours. So the time, this is 4 hours. So how far does it go? So ang tinatanong is yung distance, D. Okay, so ito lang, speed is distance over time. So speed niya is 75 is equals to the distance over this 4 hours. Diba? 4. So D, transpose nyo lang yung D. So this is multiplication. So 75 times 4. No? So 75 D. This is kilometer per hour. This is R. No? So makakancel dito yung R. So ang answer is 75 times 4 is 300. So natitira is kilometer. So distance is 300 kilometer. Okay? So another example. So a runner moves at 12 km per hour. How long will it take to finish a 30 km race? So a runner moves at 12 kilometers per hour. This is the speed. 12 km per hour. And 30 km is the distance. No? The distance is 30 kilometers. So tinatanong yung time kasi how long. Okay? So again, speed is equals to distance over time. So yung speed is 12, the distance is 30 over time. Okay, so time, magiging lang siyang ito, palit nyo lang dito. So time is equals to 30, divide nyo lang by 12. No? So this is 30 is kilometer. So yung 12 is kilometers per hour. So makancel yung kilometer, matitira yung time na. So the time time is equals to, so time is 30 divided by 12 is 2.5. 2.5. Okay, 2.5 hours, or may siyang 2 hours. So 60 divided by 60 multiplied by 5, 30. Okay, it's 2 hours and 30 minutes. The answer. This is the time of the runner. Okay? So, gano'n lang yung concept, balik-baliktad lang yan. Okay? So, yung next natin videos will be distance problem ulit, pero may mga twist na. Okay? So, first you will learn the basic muna. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. See you on my other video. God bless.